Hello viewers. In this video we are going to share 10 home remedies for dandruff. Dandruff can be a pain to deal with, it causes your scalp to itch, it falls on your clothes, and can make you feel embarrassed if you have it. But treating it is easier than you might think, and you're likely to have many remedies around your home. By applying the right products to your hair and scalp, or by making small changes to your lifestyle, you can successfully reduce or even eliminate these small pieces of dead skin for good. Find out about the top 10 home remedies for treating dandruff. First one is 1. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is widely considered to be one of the best home remedies for treating a variety of health conditions. Its versatility combined with its effectiveness make it worth keeping around. For the treatment of hair, coconut oil offers a soothing and enriching experience, hydrating and moisturizing your tresses. It'll leave your hair feeling silky soft. It also does wonders for the scalp. By moisturizing your scalp with this oil, you can ensure that the skin stays hydrated and protected from dry air. To use coconut oil, massage a tablespoon, or 2, of it into your hair. Allow it to rest for 20 minutes and then wash it out with shampoo. 2. Fenugreek seeds. Next up on the list of home remedies for dandruff is fenugreek seeds. Not only can you eat these seeds for their healthful benefits, but you can also apply them when made into a paste onto the scalp for a quick and easy dandruff treatment. To do so, place some fenugreek seeds in water overnight. Drain the water the following morning and create a paste from the seeds. Massage it into the hair and allow it to set for up to 15 minutes. Rinse with shampoo. 3. Curd. Surprisingly, curd is one of the top remedies for dandruff and other hair-related ailments. It works by moisturizing the scalp, helping its skin to feel smoother and softer. Just like the other remedies we've mentioned on the list, curd has to be applied directly to the scalp for it to work correctly. This remedy is cooling and refreshing, and will surely leave you dandruff-free, or at least to a large extent. To use curd, apply a few tablespoons of the substance directly onto the scalp, and massage it in gently. Allow it to sit for about an hour, and wash it out using a mild shampoo. 4. Baking soda. Do you have any baking soda around in the kitchen that just hasn't been used in ages? If so, you might want to consider it as your next dandruff treatment. Baking soda is a highly effective remedy because it works like an exfoliant, removing dead skin cells from the scalp and helping to rejuvenate the skin, making it appear bright and healthy. It's easy to apply and also cheap. To use it, wet the hair slightly and rub a spoonful of baking soda into the hair. Rinse and dry. 5. Tea tree oil. Another natural and popular home remedy for the treatment of dandruff is tea tree oil. For a long time, this essential oil has been acclaimed for its relaxing and therapeutic aroma. But it's more than that. Tea tree oil has many benefits when used topically, and it can greatly reduce dandruff in the scalp. If used correctly, it can even cure it. To use tea tree oil, you need to dilute up to 3 drops in a glass of water. Then, massage the mixture into the hair, and allow it to sit for up to 15 minutes. Rinse and wash the hair. You should notice a difference right away. 6. Greek yogurt. This ancient Greek remedy is both delicious and healthy. To the surprise of many, yogurt can also be applied to the hair or the scalp. This is a great way of healing any damaged skin. Yogurt moisturizes and promotes healthy skin and hair. Organic Greek yogurt is best for this remedy because it contains the highest amount of natural properties that help to moisturize the skin. Use yogurt by mixing a few tablespoons of fresh Greek yogurt with a few drops of lemon juice. Gently massage it into your hair and allow it to sit for around 15 minutes. Wash and dry the hair. 7. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is one of the most versatile natural health products because of its wide array of uses. For hair, it can help to strengthen and protect the roots, and it also kills any bacteria that might be hiding in it. Regarding scalp health, Apple cider vinegar works by removing excess bacteria. It provides an abundance of nutrients, nourishing and strengthening the scalp. This may help to reduce dandruff. Use apple cider vinegar by diluting a few tablespoons with a gallon of water. When you shower, rinse your hair with the mixture. Dry your hair as usual. 8. Neem leaves. Neem leaves are widely used in India as an herb for many purposes, but mainly for cooking. They are also a wholly natural remedy for the treatment of dandruff. It can be used right from your home and is relatively efficient as a remedy. Neem leaves are great because they relieve itching. Another added benefit is their antifungal nature, which prohibits dandruff from causing any more damage. Despite their powerful smell, neem leaves are a fantastic alternative to other treatments. 9. Listerine. Despite being created for the cleaning of the mouth, Listerine and other similar products are also used for treating dandruff. Just think about it, Listerine is antifungal, which is one of the most common causes of dandruff. That's the logic behind this remedy. Before attempting to use it, consult your doctor to make sure it's safe for you. To proceed, dilute a few tablespoons of Listerine with water. Rinse your hair with the solution, and be sure to rinse your hair afterward with warm water. Dry as usual. 10. Sun. Consider this, a lack of sun may be the culprit behind your dandruff. It may come as a surprise, but researchers have demonstrated that the more sunlight you receive, the less dandruff you will have. Of course, this doesn't mean you should hop into your bathing suit and spend the whole day in the sun. Moderation goes a long way. What you should do, however, is to get at least 20 minutes of sun exposure each day. Remember to apply sunscreen and stay hydrated. If find this video helpful, then please like and subscribe this channel.